The quality of a tapestry is heavily dependent on the selection of materials and colours. For this reason, the presence of a traditional dyeing workshop, such as that of Thierry Roger, is essential to the town of Aubusson. The colourist produces customised colours for contemporary tapestry creations and restorations of ancient tapestries. The first process is called mordanting. The wool is dipped in a mixture of acid and sodium sulphate to improve colour fastness. The colourist is able to reproduce any shade on the colour palette using 3 primary colours: blue, yellow and red. The final shade is obtained by successive soaking at a temperature of 80 degrees in each primary colour bath. The colourist gradually adds shades using a sort of large ladle known as a cassin. To achieve the final colour desired takes at least 4 hours and 15 modifications. Throughout the process, the colourist must rely on careful observation to carry out the necessary adjustments.